last time we discussed as to how Launcelot was making his father cry, in that thereby informing him that the three sisters of destiny had casted their ill eye upon Launcelot, and he is no more surviving. He want this shows that Launcelot as well as Gobo, that was his father, they were not having good relationship along with each other. But later on in this scene only we will get to know that they were associated with each other. What he said, Master Launcelot, talk not of Master Launcelot. We discussed this on the previous turn, and what he said, that the three sisters of destiny, they have casted their ill eye upon Launcelot, and in plain and simple terms he is no more surviving. Kubo, marry, God forbid, the boy was the very staff of my old age, my very prop. So, what he said, listening to his son's death, he said that his son was the prop of his old age, was the support of his old age. Launcelot, do I look like a cudgel or a hovel post or a staff or a prop? Do you know me, father? Now, he was speaking aside. अलग हटके क्या कहता है कि मैं एक स्टिक हूँ, क्या मैं एक सपोर्ट हूँ, क्या तुम मुझे अभी भी रिकग्नाइज नहीं कर पा रहे हो? सो वॉट ही सेड, Launcelot, do I look like a cudgel or a hovel post, a staff or a prop? Do you know me, father? Do you recognize me, father? Gobo, alack the day I know you not, young gentleman. But I pray you tell me, is my boy, God rest his soul, alive or dead? Now continuously, on continuous insistence, लगातार इंसिस्टेंस करने पे गोबू क्या कहता है कि प्लीज़ मुझे क्लैरिफाई कर दो, मेरा बेटा जिंदा है या मर गया. Alack the day, alas the day, alack the day, he is starting, alas the day. Why he said alas the day? When I am listening to the news of my son's death, I know you not, gentlemen, I really do not know you, gentlemen. I pray you tell me, I pray you please inform me whether, may God rest his soul, whether my son is alive or dead. Whether my son is alive or dead. Launcelot, do you know me, father? Now Launcelot came as a son in front of Gobo. पूछता है कि आपने मुझे अभी तक नहीं पहचाना, father? Have you not recognized me till now, father? Launcelot, nay indeed. If you had your eyes, you might Alack, sir. Sorry, Gobo, one line is left. Alack, sir, I am sand blind. I know you not. I am half blind. I really do not recognize you. I am half blind. I really do not recognize you. Launcelot, nay indeed. If you have your eyes, you might fail of knowing me. It is a wise father that knows his own child. Well, old man, I tell you the news of your son. Give me your blessing, truth will come to light. Murder cannot be hid long. A man's son may. बट इन द एंड ट्रुथ विल आउट. लॉन्सलेट क्या कहता है कि जो भी एक वाइज और एक इंटेलिजेंट फादर होता है, उसे अपने बेटे को रिकग्नाइज करने के लिए आंखों की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. देयर वाइब्रेशंस दैट आर देयर हु मेक अ पर्सन फील दैट हिज चाइल्ड इज नियर बाय. Which makes the person feel that the child is nearby. So what he said, कि इट इज़ यू आर नॉट अ ट्रू फादर. आई एम प्रेजेंट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. मैं तुम्हारे सामने खड़ा हूँ, तब भी तुम मुझे रिकग्नाइज कर नहीं रहे हो. उसके सामने फिर बेंड डाउन हो जाता है, नील करता है, कहता है कि सब बातें छिपाई जा सकती हैं, लेकिन एक पर्सन का मर्डर नहीं छिपाया जा सकता. मर्डर इन द सेंस, यहाँ पे हम मर्डर क्या, फॉल्स न्यूज़ ऑफ लॉन्सलेट्स डेथ. व्हाट इज मर्डर? False news of Launcelot's death. Nay, indeed, if you had your eyes. So he says what? He says, if you had your eyes also, you might fail of knowing me. You might fail in order to recognize me. You might fail in order to recognize me. It is a wise father that knows his own child. It is an intelligent father who recognizes his son. It is an intelligent father who recognizes his son. Well, old man, I'll tell you news of your son when old men I'll be letting you the news of your son. Give me your blessing. Truth will come to light. Definitely, the truth will be revealed. Definitely, the truth will be revealed, and murder cannot be hid long. What is murder over here? Murder over here is the false news of Launcelot's death. Murder over here is the false news of Launcelot's death. A man's son may. In the end, truth will come out. He says that at last, truth will definitely be out. Pray you, sir, stand up. I am sure you are not Launcelot, my boy. Now, father is again not able to recognize his son. What he said, I request you, I am sure that you are not my son. I request you, I am sure that you are not my son. So Launcelot says, if you had your eyes, you might fail of knowing me. It is an intelligent father who recognizes his son by his vibrations. Old man, I'll tell you the news of your son. Give me your blessing. Truth will definitely come out, and murder cannot be hid long. Mother here is the false news of Launcelot's death. And a man's son may, but in the end, truth will be out. Pray you, sir, stand up. I am sure you are not Launcelot, my boy. Gobbo again refuses to recognize him, thereby saying, I am sure that you are not my son. Pray you, let's have no more fooling about it, but give me your blessing. I am Launcelot, your boy. That was your son, that is, and your child, that shall be. कहता है मुझे रिकॉग्नाइज करो मुझे रिकॉग्नाइज करो मैं तुम्हारा ही बेटा था बेटा हूँ और हमेशा तुम्हारा ही बेटा रहूँगा. So what he says, let's have no more fooling about. Let us not be fool each other. Let us not be fool each other. Give me your blessing. I am sitting in front of you. Give me your blessing. I am Launcelot, your boy. I am your Launcelot. I was your son. I am your son, and I shall be your son forever. So he says, I request you, let us now no more be fool, go for the path of befoolery. I am sitting in front of you. Give me your blessing. I was your son. I am your son, and I shall be your son forever. I cannot think you are my son. Again, Gobbo is refusing that Launcelot is his son. I know not what I shall think of that, but I know Launcelot, the Jew's man, I am sure. Underline this. Marjorie, your wife, is my mother. क्वेश्चन इससे क्या आता है? हाउ लॉन्सलेट मेड हिज फादर बिलीव दैट ही इज हिज सन by taking the name of his mother Marjorie, who was Gobbo's wife Marjorie. So this question may be can come forward in front of you in any form. The thing is, hardly such questions comes, but you really need to have the minutest detail of everything. So I know not what I shall think of that, but I am Launcelot, the Jew's man. I am Launcelot, working for Jew. How he introduced finally himself to his father. I am working for Jew, and I am sure Marjorie, your wife, is my mother. Her name is Marjorie. I'll be sown if thou be Launcelot. Thou art my own flesh and blood. Lord, worship mighty be. What a beard have you got! That has got more hair on the chin than Dobbin my Philhorse has on his tail. Picture sketch अभी शेक्सपियर ने कुछ इस तरीके से दिया है कि the moment he listens to the name of Marjorie, he really becomes very happy, and he said, yes, oh my dear son. अभी क्योंकि वो सैंड ब्लाइंड है, ऐसा इमेजिन किया जा रहा है कि उसके बैक हेड के बैक की तरफ से वो उसको अफेक्शन दे रहा है. तभी वो कहता है कि तुम्हारी बियर्ड इतनी ज़्यादा लंबी हो गई है, इतनी ज़्यादा है कि मोर देन द tail of the horse of my farmhouse, of my fill horse, in the sense like with which he used to drag his cart. So her name is Marjorie. He says what? Yes, your mother's name is Marjorie. Yes, your mother's name is Marjorie. I'll be sown if thou be Launcelot. Yes, you are Launcelot. Thou art my own flesh and blood. You are my own flesh and blood. Lord, worship mighty be. Oh, I really thank God that you are alive. I really thank God that you are alive. What a beard has you got. Now it is imagined. It is not sure. No question comes from this speech. So here he is admiring and as well as showing his affection from the back head of Launcelot, and he says, like, you have grown a long beard, and your beard is more longer than the tail of the horse, that is Dobbin, my Philhorse. Philhorse, the cart horse. Launcelot, it should seem that Dobbin's tail grew backward, and I'm sure he had more hair on his tail than I have on my face. So, what he says that Dobbin still grow backward. How is it possible for me in order to grow such a long beard like that of a horse tail? Such a long beard like that of a horse tail. So this is the part which is introduced by Shakespeare in order to add a bit of mirth and laughter in the play, in order to relieve the audience. Like in the very beginning, we were introduced with Antonio, we were introduced with Portia, and they both were in the sad mood. So to relax the audience, he had added this part. The important speeches like the first speech, budge budge not, and the further second speech, like three sisters of destiny, and further murder cannot be hid long. So such type of long speeches are important from the scene, and the minutest details you have to go through, that will come as a part of a question.